Looking to instantly maximize your exposure, generate insane traffic to your business? Here's one very quick and easy way to do it. This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV. Click on the subscribe button below this video to subscribe and have free access to all our videos. In this video, you will learn the very quick and easy way to generate insane traffic to your business. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Video is growing rapidly in importance and popularity for good reason. Today, it sits as one of the top marketing tools you need for a marketing strategy after podcasting. It is not surprising given how effective this form of content is in increasing brand awareness, so the very quick and easy way to generate insane traffic to your business is through video marketing. And it's not hard to understand why. Because video entertains your audience. Video grabs attention and inspires. Video teaches your customer base. Video connects with your prospects. Video builds trust, awareness and recognition. It's time that you position your company in front of a global market with your very own powerful video marketing campaign. If you're looking for affordable video developers, connect with Video Connect Nigeria on +234 906 254 5991. If you have not subscribed to Video Connect TV, please click on the subscribe button to have access to all our videos. Video Connect TV channel is an entrepreneurship channel where we make videos on what aspiring entrepreneurs can do to take their businesses to the next level. We also make videos on some profitable online business opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs, which will help them make extra income online. So if you want to learn how to take your business to the next level and make extra income, then click on the subscribe button below this video now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.